This experience actually has been the first time where I've actually met anyone that I knew for a fact I was blood related to from Africa. But it's probably one of the greatest experiences I've experienced so far in my life.
Today, when I meet African Americans, I don't consider them as distant Africans or the other Africans or the other blacks. I consider them as potential family members. I'm Anthony Zoku Silver, also known as Zadi Zoku. I'm from the Ivory Coast in West Africa, and I live in Massachusetts. During the production of my latest documentary, Black and Black, that addresses the relationships between African Americans and African immigrants, I got my DNA tested just to see if I have any African American relative. In my case, there was no surprise because I was 100% from West Africa. But with my matches, I found a big surprise. I found over 500 matches, and nearly all of them were African Americans, including a dozen fourth cousins. And the fourth cousin is somebody with whom you share a third great-grandparent. In my case, an ancestor who was born probably in the first half of the 19th century, so 5 generations ago. I was shocked. I couldn't believe it. And I thought that the DNA company made a mistake, that they gave me the result of an African American. Hi. Yeah, this is Adi. I'm calling from Massachusetts. When I called the first one, she thought that it was a scam.
Africa, it was hard to believe and hard to imagine. You know, when you had your accent and everything, I said, somebody's putting on. Can't be. Africa, he does. You have to go back like, wait a minute. I could see 8th or 9th cousin, but you say 4th cousin? I was shocked. I'm still kind of shocked though.
You don't know where like you come from when you're born, and you see people all the time, and you can pass people all the time, and you don't know if they're related to you, if they're not related to you. So finding you has been like extremely amazing.
When I first met them, I had chills because I grew up believing that it was impossible for African Americans to connect with the African families. And here I was meeting my African American relatives. It was just crazy.
Ce qui fait l'Afrique, c'est pas forcément la couleur.
Your skin color doesn't necessarily make you African. The black Americans have nothing African. They have black skin, but they don't have Africa in their head.
When I meet people from Africa, and it's like, you know, I'm not African enough or whatever, I'm not African. When I know, you know, I came from Africa. You know, although I got a lot of mixed blood and everything, but I'm African. You know, you could be related to me.
If there's one way to find them, you should try. Sharing my experience, I hope that it can inspire other Africans to do the same and try to find out their African American relatives. There is an increasing number of African Americans who turn to DNA to find their roots.
I'm just interested in it. I want to see where I come from, more than anything.
Some DNA companies help them find the area where the ancestor came from or the tribal group. We continental Africans, we can do much more. We can connect them with people, and we can connect them with families.
I'm about to cry now. This just seems so real. But, you know, I would love, you know, to find out about the family and meet my other relatives and everything, distant relatives.
I've always been fascinated by the ocean, the power, the size, my desire to find out what is beyond the horizon. I'm sure many people share the same fascination, the same curiosity. But in my case, it may just be a call from my ancestor, a call from my lost family.
I didn't feel any disconnection. I felt like we were always connected and that just hadn't seen each other. I feel like I've known my African relative. I feel like I've known him my entire life and just missed him for a little while.
Two lineages of my family grew apart on different sides of the Atlantic Ocean. Who is the connection between them? For me personally, finding this common ancestor is very important because it's going to help me answer some very important questions. For instance, what is my real connection to African Americans? What is my family's connection to African Americans? What is my tribal group's connection to African Americans? What is my country's connection to African Americans? And in short, who am I